Multiples and factors. Let us recall the table of 13. 13 into 1 is equal to 13. 13 into 2 is equal to 26. 13 into 3 is equal to 39. And so on. 13 into 9 is equal to 117. And 13 is equal to 10 is equal to 130. So that 13, 13, 13 is a factor. And that 1, 2, 3, 9, 0 is also factor. And if you multiply with the two factors, the multiple will be there, the 13, 26, 39, 117, 130, this is the multiple. From the above given table, we observe multiple. A number which can be expressed as a product of two or more numbers is called the multiple of those numbers. So 13, 26, 39 are the multiple of 13. Factor. A factor is a number. Factor is the number which divides the given number completely by leaving the remainder 0. 13 and 1 are factors of 13. 13, 2 and 1 are factors of 26, etc. Some facts about multiples and the factors. Every number is a multiple of 1, and the number itself, that is the 13, is a multiple of both 1 and 13. Since 13 is equal to 1 into 13, and factor, first 1 is a factor of every number, that is 5 is equal to 1 into 5, and 12 is equal to 1 into 12. Second one, multiples of a number are infinite, that is the multiples of 13 are 13, 26, 39 and so on. Second, there from factor sides, every number is a factor of itself, that is 13 is equal to 1 into 13, 82 is equal to 1 into 82. 3. The smallest multiple of a number is the number itself, and other multiples are greater than the number, that is smallest multiple of 13 is 13. The factors of a number are finite, that is the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. For every factors of either smaller than or equal to the given number, that is the greatest factor of 21 is 21 itself. And 5, every factor of a number is also its divisor, that is the 1, 3, 7 and 21 divide 21 exactly, leaving the remainder 0. Next page, types of numbers. Even number, odd number, perfect number, co-prime numbers. Even numbers, all multiples of 2 are called even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are all even numbers. Odd numbers, numbers which are not multiple of 2 are called odd number, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are all odd numbers. Third, perfect numbers. If the sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times the number, then the numbers is called a perfect number. That is the factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 12, and 2 into 6 is equal to 12, and 6 is a perfect number. If the sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times of the number, then the number is called the perfect number. Hence 6 is a perfect number. Another perfect number is 28. Is 496 is a perfect number? You can check it. Fourth one, the co-prime numbers. Two numbers having only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. That is 5 and 8 are co-prime numbers. Divisibility test of numbers. Number 1, divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. That, for example, 82, 168, 364, 1080 are divisible by 2. 2, 3, 31, 69, 103, 360, 3607 are not divisible by 2. Second, divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. For example, 486, that is the 4 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 3, hence 486 is divisible by 3. Second, 8405, then 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 17. 17 is not divisible by 3, hence 8405 is not divisible by 3. Third one, divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits, that is ones and tens of the number, is divisible by 4. That is 6284, 1008, 3116 are divisible by 4. Second, 36018, 5693, 5086 are not divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the digits in ones places is a 0 or 5. For example, 1025, 30910, 4555 are divisible by 5, and 3806, 1054, 2691 are not divisible by 5.